If you got an area that you want to improve the lighting, whether it's a garage, attic, basement, or even just a warehouse, this definitely is going to fit the bill. It's worth checking out. This is so easy to install. It just installs in just a typical socket. You're going to pull out the light bulb and screw this in just like a light bulb. It has several panels here. We've got 6 different panels. They're all adjustable. You can move them in the direction that you need to. Also in the center, we've got LEDs there too. So we've got 6 panels and lights in the center. This is all ABS plastic, and it's just super, super light, easy to use. It's really a good size. It's right about, I guess, about the size of maybe 2 hands. We've got tons of LEDs right through here. And when you turn them on, they really light up the area very well. That way you can see everything more and better than you could with a standard light bulb. This is going to be a great upgrade to one that I currently have. I've had it for several years, but it's just not as bright as this. So this is definitely an upgrade, especially with all the LEDs. I love that it's not, we've got the black on here. It looks really good. And you can see here what it looks like on the back side. We do have some little vent holes here for cooling. And you can only use the lights that you want to by just flipping them up. If you don't need them all, just lift them up like that, and then just kind of angle them where you need to. Of course, it's easy to store if you didn't want to use them at the moment. But I plan on putting this in my attic to light up that area because it is pretty dark up there. Now these were gifted to me so I could try out, and I'm very happy with them. I just love using these so I can really make sure some of my areas are more secure with better lighting. It's easy to work in too. And these make wonderful gifts. You think somebody has everything that they need, but until they have these, they do not. And these are super easy to use, super easy to install too. Hope you found this review helpful.